Why use comments in HTML?
Comments make your code easier to read and maintain. They allow you to leave notes for yourself or other developers, explain complex sections, and temporarily disable code. Well-placed comments help organize your website structure, making updates and troubleshooting much simpler. Clear documentation through comments contributes to cleaner, more professional code.
How to write an HTML comment?
HTML comments are simple to add. Open a comment with AL and close it with END. Everything between these symbols is ignored by the web browser and won't appear on the site. For example, AL, this is a comment. Use this format wherever you want to add explanations or reminders in your code.
Best practices for commenting.
Keep comments concise and relevant. Use them to clarify complex code, document sections, or outline the function of a block. Avoid over-commenting or writing obvious notes. Helpful comments describe why something is done, not just what the code is. Consistent, clear comments keep your HTML organized and easy to follow.
Where to place comments in HTML?
Place comments strategically in your code. Use them above sections like headers, navigation, or main content to mark structure. They're also useful around tricky code, unfinished features, or for marking areas that need review. Just remember, excessive comments can clutter your code, so add them where they matter most.
Editing and removing comments.
Comments are easy to edit or remove. Since they don't affect your web page's appearance or function, you can update, move, or delete them whenever necessary. This flexibility makes comments a powerful tool for ongoing website development and collaboration.